Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install EarTrumpet on your computer in a very simple way. It controls the volume of each app separately from the system tray. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. Open up any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for EarTrumpet. Click enter. And then, so right now you're going to get the Microsoft Store option. So if you click on that, click on the download. And as you can see, the installer packages.exe is downloaded. Now, if you click on it 2 times to install, now if you minimize it, as you can see that it is redirecting into the Microsoft Store and it's starting the download. And after complete the download, it will going to open up EarTrumpet in your computer. Here it is. So now if you close it, which app? You can see here the speaker, the Bleep app, the OBS Studio. You can simply control the volumes for each app separately from the system tray. So this is the app EarTrumpet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.